I have music files here, but as you can see, each time I want to play any song, I'll have to choose the device or the app I want to play with. So if I want to open with VLC, I'll have to choose VLC for it to be played. The same applies to this. You can see I have even photo videos here, but I can't play the music. I can play the videos automatically with the VLC because the VLC is not the default program on this computer. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make VLC your default app for playing all the videos and playing all the musics on your computer so that you will not need to choose the VLC app each time. Once we make the VLC the default program, you can play any music or any video by simply just clicking on it without having to select the media player. For us to be able to do so, you need first to have the VLC player on your computer. You need to have the VLC player on your computer. So I have mine here. Now, what we need to do is to go to the programs and search for our default apps. This is in our system settings, and it will be able to open all the programs on this computer. Wait for it to open. So you can see here under music player, the default program is media player. So we need to change this. For us to change this, just click on it. It will highlight all the other alternatives. And here we can see the VLC media player. So you choose it, and here you can see the change has taken effect. Again, go to the video player. Under video player, we can see that the default program is Windows Media Player. So click on it. Now choose VLC Media Player. Now we have successfully chosen our music player and video players to be VLC. So let's go to our videos and our music and see if the change has taken effect. We can see that VLC is the automatic media player for these songs. Let's see for the videos. When you go to the videos, now you can see all the videos have VLC as the automatic video player. So by following these simple steps, you will be able to change and manage your media players for both video and audio. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.